Yeah, when I said before, when you go to Spain or go to Germany, go to Italy to buy, just to be the Premier, not Manchester City. I think it happened United, it happened in Chelsea, it happened in all the other teams, the big teams. It's 10, 15 million more expensive. But if you go to buy one player in England, it's 20, 25 million more expensive. So that is what it is. So buying the same league is more and more difficult. We were able to buy Kyle, and of course there are other players, English players I would like to have, but we're so happy what we have done and in our transfer. So once, for example, I remember Barcelona, Madrid, or even Bayern Munich, this one season that you spend a lot. And that no means that in the future it's going to happen the same. No. So Barcelona, I remember, spent a lot of time for 1 year. In Madrid, I remember that a lot, and the next season was less. That is going to happen in Manchester City in the future. So we did it for the next 4 or 5 years, and we did it a little bit last season, and we tried to do, because the reason why it was all team, not about it was not good enough, because that players make huge history in that club, and I have a lot of respect of that. But of course, we try to do younger team. That is only the reason why.